For those of you that don't know, all E90, 92, 93 body panels, really, they bolt up to each other because it's the same chassis, more or less. So, this was my newest purchase. So this is an E92 M3, right? I really bought it for the LSD, but if we keep on scrolling, it has an ESS supercharger. So I'm saying, how it go, what I need from the car, and flipping it, because I don't need a supercharger, nor do I want a supercharger, but I do have it now. And the car also has a DCT, so we might have something coming up in the future with that, but stay tuned. So the M3 arrived, but this thing is crazy. Like, there's a lot of things I'm finding out about this because it's the first M3 I've been so close to, but it does look similar. It's just the fact of some things are kind of different. Like, this is carbon fiber, and I never even knew they came like that. The car came on Bilstein coilovers. Everything on the bottom was kind of good, that's kind of the reason I bought the car. But the thing just looks kind of crazy. For real. Got the motor here. I'm seeing my baby right there. It's dirty as hell, bro. But we soon be back outside. We're not even worried. So you can see this is definitely oil and coolant mix. So that's a definite sign of a head gasket or of the head lifting. From a learning perspective, this makes sense as to why it was so much smoke when everything did happen. Inside, oil and coolant mixed, so it's definitely a head gasket failure. Let's put on the crank seal guard, which is something that I did not have before, which I kind of should have had. But yeah, we got this. I got everything coming to it: oil pan gasket, valve cover gasket, oil filter housing, everything that I need to refresh this motor, I got.
Alright, so we just tapped cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we're doing number 6.
This one's going in better, actually.
Basically tapping the head ports so it can be closed off so you can run the dual catch can setup.
So this is proof that you don't have to take off the radiator or the front clip or anything except the hood, really, to freaking take out engine and trans at one time. The starter actually has to come out for you to take off the engine off the transmission, and I didn't want to strip it any more than it already is, so here we are. Don't mind the old bed sheet neither, that's just a safety precaution. But yeah, this is coming out today. We opened up to actually see what was the problem. Compression looks good because it's not leaking in here, but head gasket is completely messed up, and coolant should definitely not be here. Yeah, we're gonna take it apart, see if we can get down into the pistons and see what's up. We're pulling apart the engine. This is the bearings. This is cylinder 3. It looks like it's still good. This is 4. Also looks like it's still good.
Even scoring on both sides.
Yeah.
Crank is nice and smooth. No signs of any kind of wear or anything like that, or premature wearing on the bottom end. Turn the crank.
Turn. Keep going. Keep going. One more time. Yeah, that's it right there.
Six. Also
good. Where's the?
It's on there. It's on the.
Oh.
It's on there itself. It's on the road.
Someone got through. Yeah, it's literally just the overboosting, the head lifted, bro. I know that for a fact.
I can't get it. I can't.
Lock. Oh,
Yeah, because the pistons fell off.
no, man.
Plug was